The machines of 2026 aren't just evolving, they're exploding into a new era of power and precision. From massive mining giants to robots that move like humans, these inventions push the limits of steel, code, and human ingenuity. Every machine you're about to see is built to dominate, innovate, and transform the world in ways you have to witness to believe. Let's get started. Bagger 293 is one of the wildest pieces of heavy equipment ever created, a superstructure of steel engineered to move Earth on a scale that barely sounds real. The heart of this giant is its bucket wheel, stretching more than 70 feet across and carrying 18 massive buckets that never stop scooping. As the wheel bites into the earth, every load drops straight onto a built-in conveyor system, keeping material flowing non-stop instead of digging one bucket at a time like a normal excavator. Bagger 293 reaches 738 feet in length, rises 315 feet tall, spans roughly 151 feet across, and weighs close to 31 million pounds. That scale earned it a place in world record history. Despite its size, only a small crew is needed to run the entire operation. Powered by an external electric supply delivering about 16.56 megawatts, it crawls forward on 12 massive tracked units, moving just a few feet per minute while the bucket wheel chews through the landscape. At full performance, it shifts up to 240,000 cubic meters of material every single day, work that would take fleets of dump trucks and excavators working overtime just to keep up. Prodeco RK5000 is a massive bucket chain excavator built for large-scale open pit and strip mining, designed to move enormous volumes of earth and overburden continuously. Unlike conventional excavators, it uses a giant chain fitted with buckets, functioning like a colossal chainsaw for soil, to dig and transfer material directly to conveyors or trucks, making it one of the largest land-moving machines ever constructed. Machines in this class can weigh thousands of tons, exceed 160 meters in length, and reach roughly 40 meters in height. The RK5000's hydraulic system, powered by tens of thousands of liters of fluid, drives the massive bucket chain, achieving output rates of 4,450 to 5,000 cubic meters per hour. One documented unit weighed more than 5,600 tons and could clear enormous quantities of material in a single pass, far surpassing fleets of conventional excavators. Rather than relying on single dig cycles, it continuously chips into the earth, depositing material efficiently onto conveyors, making it ideal for lignite, coal, and overburden operations where volume and relentless throughput matter most. Isoscreen-style windshield frost protector is a flexible, weather-resistant shield designed to prevent frost, ice, and snow buildup on your vehicle's windshield, while also protecting the glass from debris and sun damage. By placing the cover over the windshield before cold weather hits, you eliminate the need for scraping in the morning. Simply remove the shield and drive. These protectors secure easily with magnetic edges, side flaps that tuck into doors, or adjustable straps to stay in place against wind and weather. Made from heavy-duty materials, they guard against winter frost and snow while also blocking dust, debris, and harmful UV rays. Beyond winter, the cover helps keep your interior cooler by reducing sun exposure, making it a practical, year-round solution for maintaining a clear, protected windshield. Link Belt 245X4 Excavator is a mid-size crawler built for versatile digging, lifting, and attachment work across construction, utility, and earth-moving sites. Known for its comfort-focused cab and smooth hydraulic performance, it handles heavy-duty tasks such as drilling, material handling, and trenching with ease when equipped with the right attachments. Powered by an Isuzu AR4H K1X, final Tier 4 turbocharged diesel engine producing 160 horsepower, it delivers strong performance with improved fuel efficiency and no diesel particulate filter, simplifying maintenance. Its spool stroke control hydraulic system provides smooth proportional flow, giving precise responsive control for attachments including drills, hammers, and grapples. The excavator operates at approximately 56 to 900 pounds. John Deere 334P skid steer is a powerful, versatile compact loader engineered for demanding site work, material handling, grading, and more with the strength and control pros expect on construction and farm jobs. With a gross rated power of 118 horsepower from a Yanmar turbocharged engine, it delivers strong digging force and lift capacity that keeps productivity high across a wide range of attachments and tasks. Built around a vertical lift design, it handles heavy loads confidently with a rated operating capacity of 4,000 pounds and a tipping load of 8,000 pounds, giving operators the muscle needed for earth-moving and hauling applications. Maximum travel speed reaches about 12 miles per hour, while breakout forces of 8,500 pounds for lift and 13,800 pounds for bucket ensure the machine can push into tough material and control heavy attachments with ease. The cab is reimagined with premium comfort and control enhancements designed to support long workdays. A heated and ventilated seat, touchscreen display, hands-free Bluetooth calling, and adjustable controls come standard, making interface and operation more intuitive and less fatiguing for the operator. EU200 Excavator is a specialized underground version of the CAT M314F, engineered for mining, tunneling, and other confined space operations, where conventional machines fall short on safety, ventilation, and durability. While it shares the mid-size versatility of the M314F, powered by a CAT C 4.4 diesel engine producing 141 horsepower and reaching speeds up to 23 miles per hour, the EU200 is fully reconfigured for subsurface work with mining-specific hardware and protective systems. This machine excels at installing structural supports, excavating in tight portals, and operating under low headroom conditions common in underground construction. Its hydraulic and electro-hydraulic systems are optimized for rock drilling booms, anchor drills, rippers, and other specialized attachments that reinforce tunnel walls, shafts, and foundation elements. Safety features include enhanced roll and falling object protection, sealed cabs with dedicated ventilation, and mine-rated electrical and lighting packages, ensuring operator protection in dusty, damp environments. The EU200's proportional hydraulic flow and pressure control allow precise, slow-speed maneuvering with attachments, maintaining stability and torque for delicate underground tasks. Track Drive TD42T is a rugged, self-propelled aerial work platform designed to lift workers and tools safely to significant heights on rough or uneven job sites. It blends crawler-style traction with boom lift versatility, so crews can reach high points with stability and precision without towing a separate trailer or lift. This machine delivers a working height of 48 feet 6 inches and a platform height of 42 feet. Letting technicians access elevated areas for maintenance, construction, inspection, or installation tasks with confidence. The horizontal outreach of 25 feet expands reach over obstacles and improves positioning options without constant repositioning of the base unit. Operators stand on an oversized basket rated for a safe working load of 500 pounds, enough capacity for a worker plus tools and materials. The basket itself measures 4 feet 7 inches wide by 2 feet 4 inches deep, giving ample room to move while elevated. Mobility and terrain handling shine on this platform. The track drive base climbs gradients up to about 24 degrees and maintains traction on rough, loose, or sloped surfaces, while proportional hydraulic controls provide smooth, responsive movement and positioning of the boom and basket. Mobileye Advanced Driver Assistance System is a state-of-the-art safety suite that uses camera-based computer vision and artificial intelligence to help drivers avoid collisions and navigate complex traffic situations. Widely adopted in both passenger vehicles and commercial fleets, it provides timely alerts and in equipped models can apply automatic braking or steering support to prevent accidents. Powered by Mobileye's proprietary IQ processor and forward-facing vision sensors, the system continuously scans the road, interpreting real-time data to detect slower vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, lane markings, and traffic signs. It then delivers visual and audio warnings to the driver, and in advanced setups, actively intervenes with automatic emergency braking, lane centering assistance, or adaptive cruise control to mitigate potential collisions. Key safety functions include forward collision warning, headway monitoring for safe following distances, pedestrian and cyclist alerts, lane departure warning, and traffic sign recognition with speed limit indication. Some versions also automatically adjust headlights based on traffic conditions. Dride 4K Dash Cam is a next-generation in-car camera system designed to capture ultra-high-definition video from both front and rear views, while offering GPS-linked tracking and cloud-based storage for seamless remote access. This smart dash cam ensures critical footage is preserved automatically, even if the vehicle is vandalized or stolen, moving beyond reliance on local memory alone. Equipped with a dual camera system, it records crisp 4K video day and night with wide-angle lenses that capture expansive scenes, including license plates, signage, and nearby traffic with remarkable clarity. Built-in GPS adds precise location and speed data to each clip, providing full context for insurance claims or legal review. Connectivity is provided via dual-band Wi-Fi and, in some models, cellular 4G or 5G, allowing automatic uploads of recorded footage to the cloud whenever the camera is active or the vehicle returns to Wi-Fi range. This enables easy backup and retrieval of important video through a dedicated app or web portal without handling memory cards. PL2 Parking Lock Device is a next-generation automatic parking space lock designed to protect your designated parking spot with smart sensing and hands-free control. Known in the market as the Plock 2 auto-sensing parking lock from ZK-Tico, it eliminates manual operation so you never have to get out of your car to control the lock. It is built of heavy-duty steel with high pressure resistance up to 2 to 3 tons, making it durable against vehicle weight or external force, and the 180-degree anti-collision system triggers a built-in alarm if someone tries to push or tamper with the arm. The unit is IP67 dustproof and waterproof, so it can withstand rain, dirt, and outdoor conditions while protecting your space reliably. Unlike traditional parking posts you raise manually, the PL2 lock uses auto-sensing technology that works with a sensor you install in your car's cigarette lighter socket. As you approach within about 15 meters, the device automatically lowers the barrier, and as you leave, it raises the arm to secure the spot again. No remote needed if the sensor is present, though long-range remote control is also supported up to about 20 meters. PL2 combines automatic smart access, hands-free convenience, robust build quality, anti-collision safety, and remote wireless control into a practical parking management solution for private driveways, reserved lots, garages, or commercial parks. Tread Pro System, also known as Tread Pro recovery boards, is a cutting-edge off-road traction device engineered to get vehicles moving again when stuck in sand, mud, or snow. These boards combine durability, smart design, and portability to help drivers recover without towing or external assistance. Constructed with ExoTread dual composite technology, the boards feature a flexible nylon body paired with high-strength glass-filled resin teeth. This allows the board to flex under the vehicle's weight while keeping the spikes intact, even under aggressive wheel spin. The patented Sipe Lock grip profile is engineered from data on hundreds of tire patterns to engage tire sipes, providing instant traction the moment the tires contact the board. Tramac RT14R is a highly versatile rubber track crawler carrier built to haul, rotate, and dump material in the toughest job site conditions while minimizing ground disturbance. Its standout feature is a fully rotating upper frame, including cab and dump bed, that spins 360 degrees, allowing operators to offload material at any angle, or even while moving forward, eliminating the need to reverse. This capability dramatically speeds work on confined sites, river levees, trails, wet terrain, and sensitive environments where traditional straight frame carriers would waste time repositioning. Powered by a Cummins QSL9 T4F diesel engine producing 320 horsepower at 1800 revolutions per minute, the RT14R pairs this power with a 2-speed hydrostatic transmission for smooth travel and balanced traction in both gears. Dual hydraulic pumps flow up to 64 gallons per minute each at pressures exceeding 5,000 pounds per square inch, enabling reliable operation of heavy material loads and attachments. Riding on rubber tracks, it maintains a low ground pressure, approximately 8.3 pounds per square inch fully loaded and 5.0 pounds per square inch unloaded, letting it traverse soft soils, mud, and slopes with minimal soil compaction. Its zero-turn capability enhances maneuverability in tight or environmentally sensitive areas. Designed for earth-moving, site preparation, environmental restoration, mining, utilities, and general construction, the Tramac RT14R combines 360-degree rotation, high payload capacity, low ground pressure, and the power of a Cummins engine to deliver precision, efficiency, and flexibility that conventional tracked dump trucks cannot match. Spino RU800S is an Austrian-engineered marvel built by Placer and Thiero with Switelski, and it's changing the way railroads get rebuilt. Unlike traditional methods that take days or weeks, this machine removes old track and lays down fresh rails all in one continuous pass, keeping downtime to a minimum and letting busy lines stay open. This self-propelled powerhouse stretches over 580 feet and weighs about 650 tons fully loaded with ballast and rails. As it moves, it lifts out worn rails and concrete sleepers, cleans and redistributes the ballast bed, places new sleepers, lays fresh rails, and locks everything in place, all without stopping. It's basically a mobile automated assembly line for railroads. On a good day, the RU800S can renew around 6,560 feet of track, that's 2 kilometers, in a single shift, moving at roughly 656 feet per hour. That speed crushes traditional segmented renewal methods. Its continuous operation also keeps adjacent tracks open, reduces the need for extra equipment, and makes scheduling on busy networks far easier. Spino RU800S isn't just a machine, it's a game changer for modern rail infrastructure. These machines aren't just tools, they're rewriting the rules of possibility. If you were amazed, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who crave futuristic tech, and hit subscribe so you won't miss the next mind-blowing machines shaping our world. The future is unfolding right before our eyes, and you'll want to be part of it.